You are literally a miracle. You are one out of 400 trillion possibilities to be born on this earth. And there's so much opportunity every single day, in every single second that we are here on this earth. And if we don't utilize the time, if we don't use our creative ideas in this time, then we're playing small. There's so much more that we can do every single second, every single day. And just analyze that fact that I told you, 1 out of 400 trillion possibilities, you are here. What does that say about who you are? You know what I mean? So it's so important that we're constantly acting on these creative ideas that come to us, because these creative ideas are from a mental universe that we're a part of. Everything is mental. Everything. I'm mental. These trees are mental. The ground that I'm walking on is mental. Everything's mental. And it's crazy because we're constantly getting these creative ideas that come through to us, and these are ideas that have probably been here for millions and millions and millions of years, but we do them differently every single time, and that's when we come into play. That's when we're important. That's when we need to do the job that we are put here to do. And even if it could be mad, like it doesn't even have to be creative. When I say, like, you know, what comes to your mind when you think of creative? Creative could be, I don't know, writing, art, poetry, anything is creative. Literally, making a day is creative. Making a day as beautiful as it can be. Taking care of yourself is creative, because you're a being that is created from the Most High. You are a source of energy that is put here. You've put yourself here. And you can be as creative as you want with yourself. And that takes you loving yourself, getting to know yourself even further, looking deeply within who you are. And it's such a blessing that we're able to wake up every single day, that we're able to take these possibilities and opportunities every single day. And just from shifting your mindset, shifting the way you think and perceive the world, can change your reality so much. Because everything is energy. So once we vibrate on the correct frequency, which aligns with what we want to receive, then everything will come. It's crazy because I feel like in myself recently, and I've recently learned this more and more, is that, like, every day I get the opportunity to give and give and give and love. But sometimes some of us don't do that, and it's such a beautiful thing that we can give. It's a beautiful blessing that we can give. And when you can give love and you can constantly vibrate on that godly frequency that the Most High has given us, that is within us, then we can actually receive back, but without expecting of receiving back. Because what it is when you give out that frequency, you're naturally putting yourself on that frequency of abundance, a frequency of alignment and prosperity. I'm so grateful that I'm here. And I just wanted to share that with you. I wanted to share how I feel towards this world, how it's not always as dark as the media portrays it to be. This world is a mad world, don't get me wrong, but within us, it is a miracle that we're here. And I just wanted to remind you of that, remind you of the beauty that you hold within, that, like, not to play small. This is a serious world that we're in right now. It's a serious place, and it's beautiful that we're able to exist constantly and constantly exist. And I really do hope that I'm able to help people on this channel, because I've been helping myself recently, and these are things that I've been thinking about, things that I've been really sitting with in myself. And I feel like this is my main way of giving, because I'm not going to hold on to what's in here too much. I think it's good to have an outlet. And even if, no one's watching me, all I know is that this is a document of a being out of one out of 400 trillion possibilities. I am that being, and I'm sharing my experience with other ones. And it's such a blessing to do so. Thank you if you stayed watching this video. I wish you all the best, and if there's something you know you're meant to be doing today, do it. If there's something you've always wanted to do today and you know it's possible and you can make that change and make the decision to do so, then do it.